Today, we shall embark on a review of a crucial piece of gear that helps create these fun videos. So let's watch this review. Okay, here is the Bwine F7GB2 Drone. Let's go over the unboxing and I'll show you what's inside. When I first opened it up, it came in the plastic bag, pretty boxy. This is impressive. It sticks out, it looks like a really nice high-end drone. It's a nice plastic glossy texture to it, and it does show a few features on it that it has to offer. I can't wait to go through this whole thing. All right, so when you first open it up, get it out of that plastic bag, we have our owner's manuals. First thing I want to do is check the owner's manual and see if it comes in English. There are some nice pictures in here. And I have already used this drone and I can tell you that it is user-friendly. This is looking to be all in color and in English. Quick start guide, user manual. Now we're going to take this right out of the plastic. And this is a really nice case. I do have a couple other drones and I wish it came with this. Well, you're going to see the Potentic came with the box and that was it. You could spend more money, like quite a bit more money to get the case with it. So that wasn't an option for me. This one, you only basically, from what I saw, you only have one package that you can buy. And the package comes with a case, 2 batteries, the drone, and the remote with extra propellers. All right, so before we even open this up, I do want to point out that we do have our little compartment in the front that is a zip compartment, so we can throw in our user manuals and owner manuals right in there, throw some charging cords in there. Over on the side, we have a couple mesh compartments here, and then we also have our beautiful adjustable strap. Then we'll unzip this and show you what's inside. Little dust flap. You can take that out and move it where you want to, or put it up top and put things in here if you'd like, I guess. First and foremost, we'll pull right out this drone. I'm always extremely cautious with it. I'll go over this in just a second. Then we'll pull out the remote. Now inside the bag, we have the bottom portion that flips up, and then I have my level 6 replacements for my propellers and an extra battery. Both of these are nice lithium batteries, and you get approximately 25 minutes worth of flying time out of each one. You can see I've been in this. Tuck that right back down to the bottom. And there's plenty of room to put the drone back in, put the controller in here, close it up, and have a nice secure drone that I don't have to worry as much about. All right, the drone itself is definitely a nice, high quality looking drone. It has a couple protectors on here just to make sure that it's not getting damaged and moving all over the place in the box. You have the top part that's for your propellers, and you have the bottom portion that's for your camera. Pop off these 2 sides, then pull it right off the gimbal. There. Now the 3-axis gimbal is completely free. My propellers are free. I have both of my protectors off. Now let's turn everything on, set up the controller, open up the drone, and show you how to work the app. First and foremost, I'm going to take off these joystick protectors, then open up the antenna, pop in my phone. Doesn't matter if you use an Apple or an Android phone, but this is an Android, just so everybody can go off from what I'm using. All right, we're good there. Next, Let's get into the app. Right here is the app and what it looks like. Bwine Drone app. Then we have a video that we can watch if we want to watch it for the first time, or you can skip over it. Next, unfold and turn on the drone. It is telling us to make sure we take our covers off, which we already have done that. Next, bring this one back. Then swing these ones down and around. Just watch those propellers. Now we are all opened up. Long press on the power button to turn on the drone. Go to the back of it. Next, unfold the antennas, get everything going with the remote. This is just going to walk us right through it. Connect to the app, which we'll do that next. Okay, after we have the drone on, we have the app on, go in, turn on our controller. Now we wait for the Bwine Wi-Fi to show up and connect to that. It usually does take 30 seconds to a minute, so we just have to do that little thing called be patient, which I am not good at. I'm getting better. There we go. It's connected and clicked over. Now we should have this showing up anytime. There we are. Click on that. Let it connect. Connected. Controls. All right, now we have to do the calibration with it. There. Now, we're all level. We have everything ready to go. Ready to fly, showing everything around us. Now, let's go play. Really quick, just to go over the remote with you, just to show you. You have your distance and your height, your speed, how far away you are, and your battery power. Then up here on the actual remote, we have the screen, obviously, with the camera, but we also have our waypoints. And over here, we can choose which mode we want to go in, whether we want to do the follow or the GPS, the interest points, throw some music on here. And I also picked up the Bwine Drone 65 watt USB-C power charger. This is a rapid charger. It has 2 USB-C ports and a USB. And it works great on charging these drone batteries, the controller, and the phone to make sure that you can use it whenever you want. Plus, it's also perfect for my van life and my laptop and all my camera gear. Right now, we're plugging in the drone battery, getting that topped off so I can go out and play. First, let's test it out at the shop. Fly it around, make sure you know the controls. Look at that sunset. Check out the lights at night. It's actually exceeding my expectations. Now I'm flying over the Harvest Host location, the CNY Living Museum, and Brockway Truck Museum. Just checking out all the different functions on the drone, checking out the quality of the photos, the pans, the ups and the downs. And I'll tell you. Thanks for sticking around watching the video. My first impression of this drone is it's definitely high quality. It definitely has a lot of cool features. The 3-axis gimbal, the nice box. I love the legs on it and how the propellers with the brushless motors and just how they operate. It definitely feels like a nice functionable drone. It has a follow me feature on it. It's GPS coordinated. It has a Bluetooth app, nice remote. There's a lot of great features about this drone. So thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. Until next time, keep exploring and capturing life from above. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all next week. Bye.